Hello friends, today I'm going to give you some instructions on how to use scissors. Let me talk to your adult helper for just a minute. Okay, teaching a child to use scissors can be really frustrating, and you are going to want to do it for them. Please let them do it, okay? I know it's hard, it really is, but let me give you a couple of tips, okay? The first thing is, I know that we put scissors in all of your bags that you picked up from the school, so you should have a small pair of scissors that your child can handle pretty well. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to let them hold it in their hands and figure out how to do the open and close movement, okay? Open and close, open and close. What ends up happening is that their little hands get way down in here and it gets really hard to open and close, okay? So you want to teach them how to hold it with just their fingertips here and how to open, to push it open with their fingers and then close with their fingers. That's really a hard thing to master, okay? And then turn their hands over and do it this way, and turn it this way, before they've even ever got paper in their hands, okay? They need to be able to do the open and close movement before they've ever even got paper, okay? Like that. All right, then the next thing you want to do is get something that you don't care about, like this thing here that says that they want to buy my house from me. I don't want to sell you my house, but that would be a good thing to cut up. So I'm going to move my camera down here. Now when I'm teaching a little one how to cut, I want them to put their hand where it's stable. So I'm going to put their hand still on the table. You're going to hold your scissors still and you're going to move the paper. Okay, a lot of times what they want to do is move the scissors around like this and it gets really convoluted and very difficult to cut. It's going to be much easier for your child if they put their hand stable, okay, and move the paper. So we're going to open the scissors, put the paper in, close, and open. And that's going to happen. Then you move the paper to where you want to cut. Look at what you're cutting. Close and open. Turn it, close and open. Close and open. Okay. Now what they're going to want to do, they're going to want to do this. And that's not going to do anything but make a mess. Let them make a mess. Okay? Don't let this be something that causes a fight or a problem or frustrates you and them and makes them never want to use scissors. Okay? I can't. Yes, you can. We're going to practice. You're going to get there. Everybody learns to use scissors. It's no big deal. Okay. Practice the open and close. Watch what you're doing. Open and close and open. So you open, put the paper in, then close. Open, move your paper, and 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 close. Okay. Now, something that you might want to do is lay out a tablecloth or a sheet, or put them in a box. If you have a box big enough for them to sit in. But make sure they can hold their hand still. For the scissors, scissor hand still, move the paper hand, okay? Open, put the paper in, close. Open, move the paper, close. Open, put the paper in, close. Open, move the paper, close. Open. See? Even I dropped my scissors. Put your paper in, close. And watch where you're cutting. Open, put the paper in, and close. Okay? Let them practice cutting. Let them cut these things into as many teeny tiny little pieces of trash. Once they've gotten the hang of it and they're able to open, move the paper and close, open, move the paper and close, open, move the paper and close, open, move the paper and close. Then you can give them something that has lines on it. Like this thing I got in the mail that's telling me to vote. Okay? And you can have them cut on the lines. So I'm going to go over here. Let me turn this down where you can see it. And I'm going to place my scissors where they line up with this line and then close. Open. Move the paper and then close. Open, move the paper, look at where I'm cutting, and then close. Okay. Now I'm going to cut on this line. Open, put it where I want to cut, and then close. Open it. Put it where I want to cut, and then close. Open, put it where I want to cut, and then close. Okay. Have them practice cutting on the line. Okay. Let me cut this line. Open. Move the paper, close. Open, move the paper, close. Okay. It's going to take a lot of time. It's going to take a lot of patience. You're going to want to do it for them, but they're not going to learn it if they don't get the chance to practice it. So, what I want you to do is take a deep breath, love on your kid, and let them learn to use scissors. And you can take a video or a picture and let me see how you've done with learning to use scissors. Have fun!